how to open BMCE Bank of Africa account. To open up a new bank account on BMCE Bank of Africa, you have to launch the BMCE Direct mobile banking application on your device first. There you'll find an option called I would like to open an account. So tap on that little option over there. On the next page, you will be able to see various sorts of information. You must simply wait until the page has been loaded up. Once done, you can find an option called New Subscription Request. So we will select that option to create a new bank account. Right over here, it's going to ask us to wait. So again, you might as well go and wait for a couple of seconds. Once done, on the next page, you can see it says to open a bank account online. So you can start your application with ID and a selfie, complete your online interview with an advisor and sign your contracts remotely, receive your account number as well as also login credentials. So to start, tap on the next option from the very bottom. And again, it's going to ask us to wait. So over here, you can simply choose the offer that suits your profile. So whatever type of account that you want, you can simply go ahead. And then basically you can choose the options to change your account and to choose a type of bank account. Over here, you'll find different type of bank account packages and whatever else packages are available over there. So you can tap on the I subscribe button to follow up and finish creating your account. This way we can open our BMCE Bank of Africa account. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.